So the liver is the most important detoxification organ in your body, next to the kidneys. So the kidneys kind of like filter before it goes to the liver. And if the kidneys are poorly functioning, the liver gets really hammered. We're not talking that you need to drink or smoke or eat like really bad fried food. It can be completely other reasons why your liver needs to protect from dehydration, not drinking enough water. Are you guilty of that? Water is an entire day on water, and just one thing of it is like not drinking while you're eating. And it has to do with hydrochloric acid in your stomach. And it would be too much to explain here. If you have anxiety, the holistic detox does not cost you any money. It's just water. Well, you need some castor oil and some rags. That's kind of like the minimum requirement, but there's no expensive supplements that go on top. They're really, really time efficient. So every one of the tools in there is quick. You see a result, you feel different. Every time you do it, you will be in a WhatsApp group with me. And for 5 days a month, I'm there to support you. You can ask me any question.
Okay.
It's a self-study course. You get like 4 emails with 4 days of. Our body actually tells you what you need, and you can see what might need supporting. This detox doesn't just sit in 5 days, kind of like crammed at the beginning of the month. You learn things you might want to adopt as like toothbrushing, and you can add them into your life.